Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to remove duplicate. First of all, let us see what is a duplicate. So when do you say a record is duplicate? If you take any file, there will be a unique identifier. For example, you are seeing items file. In items file, the unique identifier is item number. If you take a bank account file, account number will be the unique identifier. If you take a customer file, customer relationship number will be the unique identifier. For any type of file, there will be unique identifier. If this unique identifier is repeating, we say it's a duplicate record. Okay, and there are two types of duplicate. The entire record is duplicate, where you can see here 1ACC0 is repeated twice. In fact, more than once, more than twice also. Let's see. Okay, it has repeated only twice. If you take this record 1ACD1, it has repeated many times. So here in this case, it's a entire record is duplicate. There's a different kind of duplicate where a part of the record is correct. For example, here in this case, in this first record is correct. We have all the information. The second record, brand name is not present. So this is a valid record. So this kind of records cannot be identified by system. Okay, so if the entire record is duplicate, then we can use sort program to remove the duplicate. Where in which we have to give a parameter called sum fields equal to none to remove the duplicate. And whenever you remove duplicate, you are going to remove based on a control field. Okay, based on some unique identifier. That unique identifier will be the sort fields. Okay, so sort fields become the unique identifier on which we are going to remove duplicate, and we are going to give another parameter sum fields equal to none. And in addition, we are going to give one more parameter, subparameter, which is equals. By default, it's no equals. If you give equals, it is always going to bring the first duplicate record. For example, here, take this record, which is with item number 1ACD1. If you are going to remove all these, so all these are duplicate because the item number is repeating. But out of all these, the first record is correct record. Remaining or invalid record. So if you give equals, it is going to bring always the first record. If you don't give equals keyword, it is going to bring one of these four records. Okay, it has a routine based on which it decides to bring which record is to the output. But if you give equals, it is always going to bring the first record. So what I suggest is, whenever you use a sort program to remove duplicate, so make sure the first record is correct record. Or the entire record should be duplicate. Okay, so in here sort fields will become the control field based on which we are going to remove duplicate. So when you have two parameters like sort fields as well as sum fields, so sort fields will be working first. Sort fields will be executed first, then sum fields will be executed. So assume sort fields, this data, which is the input file, is copied to a temporary file. Sort fields will work first. Okay, so what happens once the sort field is executed, all the data, all the item number is sorted and brought together. Now sum fields will be executed. Sum fields, since you are given sum fields equal to none, it is going to bring the first record. Okay, because we have given equals also. So what it's going to do, it is going to apply sum fields equal to none. It is going to bring the first duplicate record into the output file. Okay, I'm going to execute this JCL. This is the input file, which we are seeing right now. So dot dupes is the input file. Dot no dupes is the output file. Let's see whether this file is already present. We'll give TSO dwell anyway. Okay, the file is present. So sort fields acts as a control field. So since sort fields acts as a control field, we can't give copy here. Okay, remember, we should not give copy here. And comma equals is optional. If you give comma equals, the first duplicate record will be brought to output. And sum fields equal to none keyword should be given to remove the duplicate. So let's submit this. Max is 0. So this is the output file. We already see in the input file The input file have many records, many are duplicate. There are totally how many records? 31 records. So this is the output. You can see the item number which is unique. So what we did, we removed duplicate based on a unique identifier. That unique identifier will be the sort fields. Hope you understood how to remove duplicate based on unique identifier. Thanks for watching this video.